So what is Forex? Forex is a global market where you trade different currencies. There are a lot of currencies to be traded and different kind of and a different market. The major market is the Australian market, the Japanese, Europe, London, and the American. And it depends on where you are, your location. Like I'm in Canada, so my time zone is America and Toronto. It's very important for you to know your time zone, because when you know your time zone, then you know where the different markets gets open, because when the markets are open, that's when you get to see a lot of movement, a lot of volatility. Now, I personally like trading with the European market when the European market opens. In my own time, the European market opens by 3 a.m. So I have to wake up every day by 3 a.m. to check for my trades and to get into my trade, because that's when I get to make a lot of money. I still make a lot of money by 8 a.m. my own time, but by then the market has started slowing down. If you use a forex time converter to change time to your own time. So if you're in Africa, like you're in Nigeria, you scroll down. Yeah, we are +1 GMT. It's just for GMT +1, then you get to see everything. And now the beauty about trading in Nigeria is that you trade with this, you're on the same time zone with the European market. So you just have to, whenever you wake up in the morning, that is exactly when you should start trading by 7 o'clock. So if you can trade forex at different time slots throughout the whole day, but what I'm trying to teach you today, I want you to trade the European markets. The European markets are more volatile when the markets open. Currencies, they have different characteristics. They behave in very different ways. So it's very, very important to know how the currencies behave. I love trading the Euro, USD, dollar, and Canadian dollar. I enjoy those currencies, and then the JPY, any JPY pairs there, I enjoy those currencies. I'm sure you still don't even understand what you mean by pairs, but in a bit, you get to see what I mean. So wherever you are, like, you just put your time, it's just change it so you now know when to wake up and trade. But I said, if you are in America, you must be awake by 3 a.m. if you're a serious forex trader. If you're in Nigeria, 7 a.m. you can start trading. It's perfect for you, man. The time frame is perfect. So us in this part of the world, wake up really, really early to start trading, and by 12 I'm through my trades.